matter how big or small it is, picking up car parts is always the best feeling ever. Welcome back to another video, guys. I just came back from UPS to go pick up some car parts for the Civic. I'm pretty excited. Been waiting for this for about a week now. But in this box should tidy up the interior for the Civic. And in this box is for the new brake setup that I'll be installing on the Civic in the very near future. So let's go ahead and get these unboxed to show you guys what I picked up. So here's the first thing that I picked up. These are ARP extended wheel studs for the Civic. I will be installing this along with the new big brake kit. So I'm pretty excited to show you guys in the next few videos. I am still collecting a few more parts for the new big brake kit. Once they have all set up, I'll go ahead and show you guys the new brake setup for the Civic. But that's all I have here in this box. Let's go ahead and move to this bigger one. Alright guys, so this is what I picked up for the Civic. This is a 3-piece front and rear set of floor mats for my Civic. These are made by P2M, and these are finished off in this nice black and gray checkered colorway. And I think this will clean up the interior very nicely. I've seen a few guys rock these, and I knew right then and there I had to get myself a set. Especially with my specific interior setup, there's a lot of black and gray going on, as well as hints of red, and this mat matches it so well. First impressions, they do look good and they do feel good, and the stitch work all around on all mats is pretty solid. So kudos to P2M for that. You do have the P2M logo right there, and instead of it being adhesive on, it is riveted into the mat, and I do like how they did that. And for me personally, that looks a lot cleaner than just having it glued onto the top. On the driver's side, we do have 2 holes here to install your clips that can be found on the floor mat on the driver's side of the Civic. So that's pretty nice how they included these guys here. On the passenger side, we do have the logo riveted in here as well. Not much going on here, just the passenger side. And I do have the rear laid out just so you can flatten it out. But the rear is one whole entire piece. But yeah, I think this will add the final touches to the interior and tie everything together. I'm pretty excited to get these installed. I know they will look good, and I think this will clean up the interior. But without further ado, let's go ahead and remove the OE floor mats and install these P2M black and gray checkered floor mats. Alright guys, so just like that, we got the P2M black and gray checkered floor mats on the car. They did fit up pretty nicely. There's no issues here with these clips aligning, so kudos to that. They do clean up the car very nice and tie everything together. Look at that guys, looks very, very nice. And as you guys can see, we got the Mugen wheel here. Got the black, gray, and red. Got the P2M mats here. Black, gray, and red. We got the Hybrid Racing short shifter in red. Got the 130R Durlin shift knob in black. Got the SOD shifter delete plate in matte black. And got the cup holder delete in matte black. Again, black, gray, red. ties very well with the shifter setup. I did go ahead and wrap this center console in suede to match the Mugen wheel. So as you guys can see, the whole interior is starting to come together, and I'm very happy with how it looks so far. Let's go ahead and move over to the passenger side. Again, it looks very nice. Got the P2M logo right there. And yes, I still do have the plastic protective sheet. It's been there for the past 6 years. Never gonna take it off, I'm gonna leave it on. But yeah guys, there it is, the P2M black and gray checkered floor mats on my 9 Gen Civic. Alright guys, so that's pretty much it for today's video. It is a shorter video, but I just wanted to show you guys the new floor mats for my Civic. Until then guys, thanks for tuning in for another video. I do appreciate you guys watching the videos. If you guys like the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and comment down below what you guys think about the new interior of the Civic. But until then guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one, and remember to always stay lurking. Peace.